All right, so today we're doing some drifting. We're out here with the Genesis. Jeez, look at that, look at that. So we're out here, we're drifting, we got the Genesis, and the tune, turbo back exhaust, we have the IS, and we have the Infiniti, which is somewhere down there. Holy, look at this. Yo, give me a rev. You gotta back away from that. That's intense. That is loud. X6 M smoking. Don't know what's wrong.
I sure brought the 6-wheel.
Yeah, something is leaking then.
Other side.
Jeez, that's a lot of smoke.
Right there, buddy.
Infiniti coming in. A G35 has a Motordyne exhaust on it. Ooh. I smell so much clutch. That sounds fucking nasty. Anyways, today we're drifting. We got the Genesis, we got my X6 M, we got 335is, and we got our G35. What's wrong? Got stuck?
No.
Engine light?
No.
Oh, is that the city?
The city.
Yeah. I think the snow's too thick, bro.
It is.
I don't know why my car's not backfiring more. It usually like backfires better when I'm just drifting. Yeah.
Come up and pull forward.
Did you take this out? There you go. Now what is leaking is the real question.
There's a bit of oil in there.
Yeah, but I shouldn't be leaking like that.
And the turbo is right there. And that's where it's leaking. That's where the smoke's coming out of.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why they came this way. Fuck!
I'm stuck.
Yeah, we should have came. Alright, let's get you out first. And then everybody else. Around one more time. All-wheel drive, man. Oh shit, Chris and them are stuck. Yo, Chris and them are stuck. Oh, he got out. How did it feel?
Oh.
So we got Infiniti stuck. Looks like we have an emergency kit for, you know, shoveling. Anything else in here? Oh, that's about it. Yeah. Oh, we do have rope. Yo, we got bungee cord, or not bungee, fucking. Yeah. Right. Yo, we got some rope. I told you the pot Carter gave came clutch. Yo, we got this. We can tow his goodie.
Oh yes.
That kit Carter has in there came fucking handy.
Oh, yo, do you have a fucking thing?
Oh shit.
Do you have yo, do you have a tow hook?
I think he has a tow hook.
Oh no, he doesn't. Fuck.
I have a trailer hitch.
Yeah, trailer hitch.
What's that?
No, wait, sorry, have a tow hook, don't you?
Ready?
Alright, let's do it. Let's watch your car. Close this thing. We're gonna try winching him out. He's in this car. Once he's out, we're ending it. We're calling it a day. To get my gloves. Fucking cold out here. You good? You're not gonna get stuck? Yeah, 1 car, 2 cars, 3 car. Have the beast right here. This is a fucking fail. The snow is fucking huge. And look at that. Like look at that. It's a lot. He's stuck. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, she's not gonna come off? Okay. That upper hand, bro, is too fast for me.
I'm gonna go like this.
Okay,
That's lower hand, bro. Upper hand's like this.
No, underhand. Yeah, underhand. That's what it is. Okay. Ready?
Both immigrants out here.
Trust. Let's slowly.
Oh, that one forward.
That didn't go far. Let's try one more. We're to the other side. Woo! That one fucking deep. Well, the camera died. This is my phone right now. Still shoveling it. Still stuck here like 20 minutes in. Wait, 30 minutes in. Yeah, right there. Yo, come here. Someone whose hand's skinny, go in there. That's not me, bro. Okay, see his control arm?
Oh shit.
Oh, you gotta come from here. You're gonna wrap this thing around his control arm and hook it in.
What?
The control arm.
What's it?
Here, I'll show. You see it?
The green thing?
Where green thing? Oh, that's his strut. The control arm's a silver one.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna try hooking onto that.
But let him try it first. Let him try just cutting.
Okay. Here, try pushing. Let's try pushing it. Should I go? Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to rain now.
Yeah. So snow's gonna get fucked up even more.
Ready?
Ready? All right.
Oh shit, Chris.
Wow.
Yeah, just hook it up.
Benny, don't get scared, bro. Just keep...
Yo, just hook it up to the control arm, bro. Trust me.
Alright.
Alright, that's it. Up. Hold on. Okay. You got out. There you go. He's gone. He got out. It hooked? Alright. Okay. Woo. It's almost out. Fucking shit, the snow is not a good day to snow. Look at the wheel wells of this thing, they're fucking covered, eh? Alright, go. Look at that. Fucking V8.
Ali, slow. Okay, go. Keep going.
Take it out. Look at that. I said from the beginning, control arm, bro, but no. This is it, bro. Keep going. Alright. He's out. Draws. All the cars are out. Oh. Alright, so that's it for today. It's fucking cold out here right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and watch future videos.